The Development Bank of Latin America and the Caribbean, CAF, has approved a US $670,000 emergency grant to support Jamaica's humanitarian and recovery efforts following the catastrophic passage of Hurricane Melissa. In a letter to Prime Minister Andrew Holness, CAF's executive president Sergio DÍAZ-GRANADOS expressed solidarity with Jamaica, calling the island a valued member of the CAF family and pledged to stand firmly alongside the government and people as they rebuild. CAF's support goes beyond funding. Through its regional network, the institution helped facilitate bilateral emergency assistance from El Salvador, which has airlifted 37 tons of humanitarian supplies and deployed more than 300 trained personnel to bolster Jamaica's national response operations. CAF's intervention aligns with Jamaica's broader disaster risk financing framework, complementing resources from multilateral partners like the World Bank, Inter-American Development Bank (IDB), and the International Monetary Fund (IMF).